Let's take a look of how to do half split. Half split is a hamstring opener. For this one, I recommend using the blocks, or you can use a chair beside you if you are on a tighter side. For flexible people, fingertips on the ground is just fine. So from kneeling position, we're gonna extend the left leg forward, have your blocks either side, and you're going to start from upright position, arching the lower back, as if you're doing a cow tilt, and hinging forward. Okay, once you start feeling the stretch in a straight leg, pause here. Maybe take the blocks just to facilitate that relaxation. Couple other cues and recommendations is your back hip stacked over your back knee and your hips are square. So drawing that left hip back, okay, and right hip more forward, making sure you're not having open hip situation. And folding down. Okay, slowly come back, rebend the knee, and let's sit back. And again, let's do other side the same way.